So let's take a minute to discuss all the different supplies that you're going to need for leatherwork. You know, you can get really lost in all of the dyes and all of the antiques and finishes, but what you're looking at right here is all of the finish that I use on a daily basis. And it only is really consistent of just barge glue, a leather conditioner, thread, and leather oil, and saddle soap for edge finishing. That's literally it, and you can do anything you want really. Now, if you want to color something with some dye or add antique, then you end up with big old boxes and hundreds of dollars worth of dye and antique and all these other finishes that are out there. But this is the bare bones what you really need. And if we're talking about need, all you actually have to have is basically just barge glue and thread. All the other stuff, you know, it's just nice having a conditioner. It helps out with certain things, and some parts you want conditioner rather than oil. Now, oil, you could argue it's a need, but you don't have to oil a project. It's just best if you do. And then the last thing, saddle soap. This is basically the magic sauce that gets my edges looking basically like glass. So it's really simple stuff. You don't need a lot. It's not a lot of money. You got to invest. So just make sure you got glue in stock and thread. And the glue, you can even use glue from the hardware store. Wellwood has a product that works. It's just not as sticky as barge glue. I mean, they use this in the shoe industry. So if it'll hold on the soles of your boots, it should work for a wallet or a knife sheath. So hopefully that gives you some idea of what you're going to need and helps you out.